Welcome to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair and auto body shop in Long Island City, Queens. Today, we had a 2019 Mercedes Benz GLC 300 4MATIC SUV come in with an overheating issue. This 2019 Mercedes had been previously brought to another shop for the overheating issue. The other shop diagnosed it and they said that it was a cooling fan and proceeded to replace it. Unfortunately, this did not fix the issue, so they brought us to Tolima's Auto Center to fix the problem properly. When the customer told us the story that the previous shop replaced the cooling fan and it didn't fix the problem, to us it seemed obviously strange. On a 2019 vehicle, it is rare for the cooling fan to fail at such low mileage, so we proceeded with our own diagnostics. We started by scanning the car. Using our dealer-level scan tool, we found 3 pertinent codes. You can see them on the screen right now. Check coolant system, onboard charger, communications with a coolant pump has a malfunction. The message is missing. The second code says the output for relay circuit 87 has an electrical fault or an open circuit, which means a short. It's shorting to something. And then the third one is power supply to the actuators has a short circuit to ground. So by looking at these codes, we don't know if the other shop had access to this level of scan tool, but it's telling us that this is an electrical issue, not an issue with the fan itself, but just a simple issue with the wiring or one of the computers. So we're going to start by checking the wiring. Now that we know we're looking for a short circuit somewhere or some broken wires or some communication issue, we started by looking at the shop manuals to find the pertinent modules of where the wiring go in the car. Now here you can see us probing. We are checking each of the fuses and we're checking for the wires to see if they are having ground issues, if they're having short circuits, or if they're communicating effectively. From our probing, we found that fuses number 19 and 20 were not getting ground, so we followed those wires to a panel next to the driver's seat. Here you can see the connectors. You can see that these connectors are indeed burnt. You can see the burn marks and the rust marks, which is what was causing the short circuit. So we're inspecting the whole area here right now, and we found what was causing the issue. And the issue in this area is actually that there's water intruding into the car. Here you can see a pool of water. This water's coming in, causing short circuits and the wiring. This area is supposed to obviously be dry. Here you can see that from all the probing that we did, this indeed was a wiring issue. And this is what's amazing, ladies and gentlemen. This car went to another shop and their solution was to change the fan. They saw that it had cooling, that it had codes for communications with a fan, so they figured, okay, the fan is bad. But it's actually water coming into the car causing wiring to short circuit. This is why you want to take your car to somewhere where they know how to diagnose your vehicle properly. Not just, oh, we read a code, it told us that this part is bad, so we have to change it. So we have to fix all this wiring and the car will be good as new. That is why if you have a vehicle in need of diagnosing, auto repair, or basic maintenance, feel free to reach out to us at Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens.